you were all hit at 6.1. What could have been the proximate cause, at least temporarily? Bakit bumagsak yung supermarket? Is there anybody who can answer the question? Yes, Secretary Anyo.
And this could be because of the structural design of the supermarket. It is only good for second floor, but it was actually constructed up to fourth floor. In fact, I would be issuing a memorandum circular to LGUs that have chosen supermarket in their jurisdiction to temporarily suspend the business permit until we have reassessed the structural integrity of these supermarkets. Before, we do not know when the next earthquake will happen, so we want to prevent unnecessary loss of life. Actually, the owner of the supermarket has been summoned by the CIDG already this afternoon. So, before we let the supermarket go into business operation, we have first to assess. There are about, I believe, 4 other chosen supermarket around Pampanga.
Well, in all probability, the one who constructed the supermarket here could also be the one who constructed the others. I'd like to presume that, although I stand corrected. So, it would be good at this time to just give them the advice to stop, cease and desist doing business until such time that the clearance is given by government, whether the city engineer or whoever is competent to review the planning and inquire into what kind of materials, whether they were made or applied in right sizes or was there any shortcut made. Yun ang, because in some, you would see that there's a lot of, you see cement, but what's the interest inside the columns there has to be examined, whether they can withstand the additional toe storage. And may I know if this was accompanied by a new application to add another storage?